Hi family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am OYOKO, but you can call me V. And in today's video, I'll be sharing my first ever 2021 vision board. I got myself a board, a cork board. It's pretty big, and yeah, I got this. I'm gonna start making my own. I'll make a I will make a online Pinterest vision board because I realized that I don't have any magazines. So I'm going to use this one as a mind map like type of vision board. And then the online Pinterest board will be, really a proper vision board. So yeah, that's what's going to happen. I also made a prompt for 2021, as I have a prompt for 2020, which was create opportunities, don't wait for them. Create opportunities, don't wait for them. We need to take action now. Like, you are living in a moment now. Live with intention. Do the things that you want to do now, because you don't know if there's going to be a tomorrow. So create opportunities, don't wait for them. Anywho, let's go back to 2021. So my prompt for 2021 is trust the process. Trust the process. So yeah, that's what 2021 is going to be about, and to detach myself from the outcome, because that really dictates how I move, and I want to stop doing that. Without further ado, let's just start with the vision board. This is my Pinterest vision board. I have a soft color palette. I included affirmations like I am endlessly creating myself because life in itself is a state of impermanence. Your energy is currency. Spend it well, invest it wisely. Invest in you first before you can invest in others. So that one is very important to me. Perhaps the problem is not the intensity of your love, but the quality of the people you are loving. Shire. Go check her out. She is an incredible poet. And stop being afraid of what might go wrong and think of what could go right. In other words, stop catastrophizing and focus on the positive things. Okay, so this is my vision board. This is what I have so far. I want to travel next year. I want to focus on my personal project that I'm working on. I have another personal project that I'm working on. I want to create more music and art. I want to collaborate with more artists. I want to focus on my bullet journal. I want to invest and save more money because I haven't been saving at all, and I want to make sure that I fill up my savings account. I want to work towards a humble abode, my own humble abode. That will be amazing. I want to live in intention, and what I am seeking is seeking me. I want to make sure that I make more content that is properly edited. I want to make sure that I edit my videos in a way that it looks better than what I'm doing now. So I want to focus on editing and make more content that is more engaging and cinematic in a way. I want to read 10 books. I gave myself 10 books because I'm not sure if I'll be able to read one book per month. So I have some time to gauge, but we'll see. And I want to learn Spanish because I've been learning Spanish, but it's been on and off. So I want to make sure that I am consistent. I want to stay consistent and learn Spanish properly. I want to focus on YouTube, of course. I want to make sure that I have 1,000 subscribers by the end of next year. So fingers crossed, and I should trust the process. That's it. This was the video. I hope you liked it. I hope that you will achieve your goals in the next year. I hope you will achieve your goals in 2021. I hope we all have a great and abundant year. And let me know what you think. And let me know if you are going to make a vision board. I have no idea, but if you do, comment below. That's it. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I hope you are well. I hope you stay well. I hope you go well. And I will see you in the next video. Deuces.